Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x is equals to square root of x to power of square root of x to find the values of x. In the first step, as you know in here, if we have square root of a, we can write this as a to power of 1 over 2, right? So, in here, we can write this as x is equals to square root of x. We can write this as x to power of 1 over 2 and to power of this square root of x. And in next step from exponential rule, if we have a to power of m to power of n, this is equals to a to power of m times n. So in here it will be x is equals to x to power of 1 over 2 times square root of x, and it will be square root of x over 2, right? So in next step, we apply log to both sides of equation. So it will be log of x is equals to log of x to power of square root of x over 2. So in next step from log rules, as you know, if we have log of a to power of b, this is equals to b times log of a. In here we can take this power outside of log, so it will be b times log of a. So in here it will be log of x is equals to, in here we take this power outside of log, so it will be square root of x over 2 times log of x. And in next step we take this to this side, and it will be log of x minus this square root of x over 2 times log of x is equals to 0. In here log of x is common, so you factor log x, and here it will be 1 minus square root of x over 2 is equals to 0. So this times this is equals to 0, so in here we have log of x is equals to 0, or 1 minus square root of x over 2 is equals to 0. In here, from log rules, if we have log of a is equals to b, from here a is equals to 10 to power of b. So in here we have log of x is equals to 0. So from this formula we have x is equals to 10 to power of b. b is 0, so it will be 10 to power of 0. And from here x is equals to 1. So this is our first answer, and we can write this as x1 is equals to 1. So in here we take this to this side, and it will be 1 is equals to square root of x over 2. And here we can write 1 as 1 over 1, and in here we use cross multiplication, this times this and this times this. So it will be 2 times 1 is 2 is equals to 1 times square root of x, it will be square root of x. And next step, we square both sides of equation, so it will be 2 to power of 2 is equals to square root of x to power of 2, and it will be 4 is equals to, this will cancel this, and it will be x. So we write this as x2 is equals to 4. And next step, we check if our answer is correct. So we check for x1 is equals to 1. We check our problem is x is equals to square root of x to power of square root of x. So we write in here x is equals to square root of x to power of square root of x. So for x1 is equals to 1, we have x is 1 is equals to square root of x is square root of 1 to power of square root of 1. And here it will be 1 is equals to square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 1 is 1. So in here 1 is equals to 1. So left hand side and right hand side is equal. Hence, we have proved our first value for x for this problem is true. So x1 is equals to 1 is true. So in here we check for x2. For x2 is equals to 4, we have a square root of x, it will be a square root of 4 is equals to, sorry, x is 4. 4 is equals to square root of x, square root of 4 to power of square root of 4. And it will be 4 is equals to, square root of 4 is 2, and to power of square root of 4 is 2. And it will be 4 is equals to 4. So in here, also right hand side and left hand side is equal. So also for this x is equals to, this value is true. So we have two answers for x, x1 is 1 and x2 is 4. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.